All right, this is homework practice for second grade for lesson 1-3. So again, we're just following up from our lesson that we did earlier in class on making 10 frames. And we want to fill up the 10 frames so that we can add and get the answers a little bit easier, because if we can get it to a group of 10, it's easier to add. So this shows 8 plus 4. But if we take these 4 markers here and we move 2 of them over, and we have 2 left, we've filled up the 10 frame, and we know this is 10 plus 2 left over is 12. So 8 plus 4 is the same as 10 plus 2. So we're just thinking about how we can get it into groups of 10. So here's 9 plus 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 plus 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What we're going to do is we already have 9 here. I'm going to put these 7 here and fill up this 10 frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, so let's see how much this is. 10 plus 6. Okay, so I know that 9 plus 7 is the same as 10 plus 6. And I know that 9 plus 7 equals 16. So 10 plus 6 also equals 16. All right, 7 plus 5. So we have 7 red, 5 yellow. We are going to try and make a 10. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to move 1, 2, 3 counters here to make a 10. So I move 3 counters to make a 10, and I have 2 left over. So 7, so this is 10 plus 2 left over. 10 plus 2 is 12. So 7 plus 5 is the same as 10 plus 2. So 7 plus 5 equals 12, and 10 plus 2 also equals 12. Okay, let's head to the back page. And again, feel free to pause the video as needed if you need a little bit more time, or just use it as a reference and come back and check your work. Okay? All right, we're going to add and then draw lines to match the addition problems with the same sum. So we need to go through and add up each of these. 9 plus 6. I'm going to start at the larger number and add 6. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I know that's going to equal 15. 7 plus 5. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 7 plus 5 equals 12. 9 plus 5. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And 5 plus 8, I'm actually going to start at 8, it's the bigger number, and add up 5, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, so now we have our sums for all of these. Now we need to find the matching sums on the other side. This is easy peasy because it's in groups of 10. 10 plus 2 is 12, 10 plus 3 is 13, 10 plus 4 is 14, and 10 plus 5 is 15. And then we're going to draw lines to match. So 15 to 15, 12 to 12, 14 to 14, 13 to 13. Okay, number 7. Blanca wants to add 5 plus 8. Describe how she can make 10 to solve. So she wants to do 5 plus 8. So I'm actually going to do 2 sets of 10 frames over here. So we'll do our rectangles with a sandwich line and then 4 lines up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Another 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we're going to do 5 plus 8. So let's do our 5 first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let's do 8 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I know that that is 10 already, and I have 3 over here, and 10 plus 3 is 13. So that's how I can use a 10 to solve for that one. Okay, higher order thinking. Jay has 14 blocks in all. Okay, so I'm going to just do this real fast. He has 14 in all. That's my total. He has 6 yellow blocks. The rest of the blocks are green. How many do we know? The rest, we don't know. It's a mystery. How many blocks does Jay have? Make a 10 to solve. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a 10. My little 10 frame over here. Oops. And I have 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I'm going to count up till I get to 14. Okay, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Now I'm going to count how many X's I just drew. That's going to represent our green blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there are 8 blocks because 6 plus 8 equals 14. Okay, here are 2 Common Core assessment problems. Again, when we see these, we're going to have questions just like this on our tests at the end of the unit. So let's take a look at this. Beth has 8 fish and 7 snails. How can Beth make a 10 to find how many fish and snails she has in all? Well, what we can do is we can draw our little 10 frame. And we're going to start with 8 fish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 fish plus 7 snails. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I can see I have a 10 frame here with 10 and 5 underneath. So 10 plus 5 equals 15. Okay, let's look at our Common Core assessment here. Use the 10 frames. Show how to find 7 plus 6 by making a 10. So we're going to do 7 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 plus 6 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we know it equals 13. All right, great job, everybody.